Great advice for succeeding with affiliate marketing. With such a competitive market for selling ideas or items today, there are certain techniques that can be learned in order to maximize profit. Since one person will undoubtedly become interested in your product or ideas, why not reward them for getting more individuals interested in your business? In this video, affiliate marketing strategies will be discussed. To sign the best contract possible, review it carefully before signing. Some companies might ask you not to sell anything else outside of their products. This will eventually keep you from earning more money, and you will find yourself tied to one program that you might not be satisfied with. When creating an affiliate marketing program for your products, encourage deep linking. You want links on your affiliates' pages to go directly to the product page for the item they're recommending. The more clicks it takes the reader to reach the product, the less likely it is that they will convert. Look around for a mentor in affiliate marketing if you are not sure how to approach the business. There are thousands of successful affiliates out there who will lend you advice to get you started. You are not their competition at this point, so most are happy to help out. Check around the blogosphere and find experts in the field. Read all contracts prior to signing anything. Pay special attention to any exclusivity clauses that may be hiding in there somewhere. It could keep you from selling any other products from any other affiliate programs. This could really limit you to only the things that this affiliate program offers and cap the amount of money you can earn. As stated in the beginning of this video, if any one person is interested in your product or ideas, rewards can be offered to these individuals for success in bringing other people to your products. Now that you have the knowledge to successfully use affiliate marketing strategies, put them to use and make more money. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.